fermentation, 10 hours, I think. Just starting to happen. There we go. And that's the type of head we want to see on the beer itself, actually. Sort of slightly tan in colour. Almost 24 hours in. Time to change the bung, I think, but good progress all around. In the time it took to clean the old bubbler, this one's off to the races again already. Wow. Despite being under the stairs, it's still running a bit warmer. Impressive amount of churn going on in there. Day 2. Activity has slowed a lot. That yeast at the bottom has dropped out. There's quite an impressive cake of yeast there. There was plenty of krausen, but that all seems to have started to evaporate. And up here in the bubbler, there's only an occasional blip coming through. Go on, you can do it. It's only been a couple of days, but look at this at the bottom. And if we can see through all the reflections on the glass, it is beautifully dark and not a lot going on. The bubbler's been quiet now for a little while. So I'm going to resort to data. I'm going to do a hydrometer reading, see where we are exactly, and use that to actually decide on next steps. But it is looking very good very quickly. Even under the stairs, the temperature's been a bit higher. It's been 22 degrees. I'll replace this with a fresh one. Down. Gravity is 1.012, which is pretty close, if not on, what we were expecting for a final gravity. So I'm going to put the airlock back in and effectively wait a couple of days, do another reading. If the reading's exactly the same, fermentation is finished. Gosh. It's day 6, things have slowed down dramatically. We're going to do a check into the hydrometer reading. We did one a couple of days ago and it was 1.012, so we're expecting it to be roughly the same as that. When I moved it, actually, I did get a couple of bubbles, and so I left it the last 12 hours before I did this, because I thought, okay, well, we'll just see what happens. And this morning I've seen another bubble, so maybe fermentation isn't quite over, but you know, you can see there is flocculation at the bottom is amazing, very dark. I'm looking forward to this beer, and we are day 6, so I have a fresh sanitized demijohn here, so we're going to siphon that off. But first we are going to just do a hydrometer reading. Now, I've been having fun and games with this to try and get my upgrade from a turkey baster. Hasn't quite been that successful, mostly because it's quite difficult to control the end of the tube. But, more success this time. practice makes perfect. Hydrometer reading is identical, 1.012, no change. So about halfway in, just to get started, and I'll just gently rock it down. Caught a little bit of sediment in that last stretch, but that's fine. I will be able to sort that out. That looks terrific. So fresh airlock and under the stairs. So this time I'm going to try and save some yeast. Now, I've not done this before, I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing, but what I think I've got to do is just take a sip of this. And put that in the fridge. And we've potentially got some yeast to try on another ale. So we'll give it a shot, see what happens.